friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will make ice cream, but you know that before the pink and blue didn't give me any money and they are not coming. I think they won't give me money. Ding ding. Who's there in the door? Let me open the door. Oh, it's Pinky and Bluey. Come in. We are sorry that we didn't give some money, but this time we brought a lot of money. Where is the money? First, where will we sit? Oh, sorry, I'm gonna just make some side to you can sit. It's okay, okay. So do it first so we can sit. Okay, your seat is coming right now. Just first we will pay. We said you got first seat. Yes, that time I did give you some seat. This time I didn't. Yeah? Yes. Okay, sorry. It's okay. Wow, a beautiful place. Bluey, come first. I'm coming. Bluey, where's the money? Oh, I'm gonna brought it. Here, look. So many money. Oh, wow, lot of money. I will get that money. Where will I sit? Oh, there's no space. Sorry. Oh, but I want to. It's okay, there's a lot of space left. Here, you can sit here. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. So here is our ice cream. Let's decorate everything. Let's make this place beautiful. Done. And where is your money? Here. Wow. Can you count how many coins are here? Let's count. Here is the coin place. There is one. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. Wow, there's a lot of money. So now let's give them some ice cream. Oh yes, we are here for some ice cream too. Not only for just paying some money. Oh, okay. I'm boring. It's okay, you can play with this piano. Okay. Okay, let's sit. You sit and I get some ice cream. Which kind of ice cream do you want now? I want a strawberry flavor cup ice cream. No, we are not gonna have cup ice cream this time. Sorry. No cup ice cream. How dare you think that? I said I want strawberry flavored stick ice cream. And I want vanilla or blueberry. Vanilla or blueberry, which one? Don't worry, but let's see which one you want. This one, it's vanilla. This one is blueberry with chocolate. Which one do you want? Oh, chocolate is my favorite. And what's that blue thing? It's not blueberry. Oh, I'm sorry. It's mint ice cream. My favorite. So, mint is your favorite, yeah? Yes. It's my most of the favorite ice cream in stick. Oh, okay, then you can have the mint ice cream. And Pinky, your turn. I want to eat the strawberry with vanilla. Oh, that's a good choice. What? Why is she having strawberry? Don't be angry and don't be rude. Okay, I will have the mint. So now you two both eat it. Let me start with this. Wow, mint cheese. That was delicious. My turn. My favorite vanilla strawberry both ice cream. Oh my god, that was delicious. How much is that? Is 2 stick ice creams? It's 200. And how much is the before we eat 2 cup ice creams? It was 200 too. How many? Friends, how many coins do we need to give to the ice cream girl? Let's see. I will help you. See, here is my 2 fingers and 2 fingers. How much is it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 400. So let's get 400 from this 600. Let's get 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's enough. Is it right, everyone? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I think we get one more by mistake. It's okay. Now let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we get the right one. Let's put it in my bank. Where is my bank? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. The bank is full with $400. Oh my, that was yummy ice cream. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.